Hi there everyone, Chad Hauer here with the Hauer Home team at Keller Williams Realty. Hope you are well. Today I wanted to share with you where you're going to see the biggest return on investment for prepping your home for sale. So starting out, very first thing, most important, is going to be curb appeal. That's where it's worthwhile to put a little money into it. Typically we find when it comes to fixing up your home for the market is less is more. Don't do big extravagant projects. Simple better. Do some simple sprucing up of the landscaping, make sure the beds look nice. $3,000 and less, you can do a lot of improvements to the curb appeal of your property. So exterior paint is a great place. Some recent studies actually noted that if your house is yellow, then they, on average, were getting $3,500 less than expected for the sale price of the home. So avoid painting your house yellow to prep it for the market. Now, on the flip side, actually, the studies show that the front door being painted the right color can do as much as add $6,000 to the expected price just based on getting the right color front door. So simple little things there that don't cost a lot of money that can really help you get a better return on your investment. So that's for what to focus on the outside of the house. Now the other part would be bathrooms. Bathrooms can be a good area to focus on. Again, less is more. I'm not talking about doing a big fancy extravagant bathroom where you've got, you know, the rain shower coming from every different direction and the jetted tub and all of this. It's more so updating. If your bathroom is 25 years or older, doing some simple updates can really help you get a return that's greater than the cost of it. So simply replacing the toilet, replacing the vanity, light fixtures, things of that nature can make a big difference. So specifically, what the studies have shown is it's $1.71 of an increase for every dollar spent for those kind of basic projects within the bathroom. Now, if you go into the big extravagant, then you see it works against you, and we're seeing on average you get 87 cents back for every dollar you spent. So I hope that's helpful information as you're getting ready to prep your house for the market. Pass this along to anybody that you think would appreciate it. And of course, we look forward to the opportunity to assist you and anybody that you care about as you're going through this process of preparing your home for the market. That's what we're here for and do every day. So thanks so much. Have a great day, and don't hesitate to reach out if we can assist further. Take care.